Hello everyone. In this video, you're going to learn how to make embedded questions. How to make embedded questions. As you can see in this slide, I have this sentence. Do you know? And what bus I need to take? So we have two questions. Do you know? That's one. What bus I need to take? That's number two. Question number two. So this second one is embedded. It's like a baby sentence. And do you know is the mother sentence. So this is embedded one. When you make embedded questions, there are some rules you need to know. Okay, next, let's look at some examples. Okay, now we're going to look at some embedded questions with WH words. So like WH words, who, what, where, how long, what time. Okay, they're all WH question words. Okay, I have one question here. Where is Mio? Where is Mio? And it's going to be embedded. So we have, do you know where? Do you know where? Miok is. Okay, where Miok is embedded in this long sentence. And if you look here, where is Miok becomes where Miok is. Is Miok becomes Miok is. Where is Miok becomes do you know where Miok is? Okay, next sentence. Okay, can you tell me where? Okay, this is another way you can start a sentence. Can you tell me where? And then we need to have subject verb. Miok is. Can you tell me where Miok is? Okay, next question. Where is our class? Where is our class? This is a normal one way of asking where is our class, and you can also embed it. You can say it after. Can you tell me where? And then we need subject verb. That's right. Subject, our class is. Well, our class is. So we get our class is. Can you tell me where our class is? Okay, next sentence. What time will the party finish? What time will auxiliary verb, the party, subject, and finish verb, auxiliary verb. And then we can say, we can add the question after do you know what time? Yeah, do you know what time the party auxiliary verb will and then finish verb. What time will the party finish? Becomes do you know what time the party will finish? Next question, who will come to the party? Who is the question word subject and will is the verb. Who will come to the party is the question. Then here we have, can you tell me who will come to the party? So in this case, we don't change the verb position because we have subject verb. Question word is a subject. And then we have will, auxiliary. Sorry, this was auxiliary. And in the embedded question, subject, auxiliary. So nothing changes when question word is the subject. Okay, next. Next question is, who will bring a cake? Okay, who is again subject. Question word is a subject. And we want to say the question after, do you know or can you tell me? And the question you get is, do you want to try it? Can you tell me? That's right. Who will bring a cake? Or do you know? Do you know who will bring a cake? Next one. Who else did you invite? Who else did you invite? We have did you invite because you is the subject and who else is the object. Okay, for the embedded question, we have, can you tell me who else you and then invited? So we have to change the format. So this is the question, just one simple question sentence. Who else did you invite? And then it becomes you invited. Who else you invited? As you can see in the embedded questions, subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb, and subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb. In the embedded questions, we have a question word and then subject, verb. Okay, we have another example here. How long is the party? How long, be verb and then subject. And how can you make it an embedded question? Yeah, can you tell me how long the party is? After question word and adjective, we have subject verb. Now, where can I park my car? Can you try making an embedded question? Okay, well done. Do you know? Okay, this is the mother question sentence. This is the mother. And then where can I park my car is the baby. So in the baby, when the question becomes the baby, we need to have subject verb. Okay, in a independent one, we have auxiliary subject verb. Where can I park my car? Becomes, do you know where I can park my car? This is auxiliary subject verb. Where can I park my car? Becomes, do you know where I can park my car? Now let's look at embedded yes/no questions. Is Mio coming? This is a yes/no question. Is Mio coming? And when we have an embedded question, we need to have, when we make this yes/no question to an embedded question, we need to have if, and then subject, verb. Subject, verb. Is Mio coming becomes if Mio is coming. Okay. Same with the can you tell me? Can you tell me? Okay, this is the mother question, mother sentence, and if Mio is coming. Do you know if Mio is coming? Can you tell me if Mio is coming? So we call it an embedded question, but yes/no question. So you can answer, do you know, you can ask, do you know if Mio is coming? The answer is, I don't know. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't know. Yes, I know. Okay, the next one. Will there be lots of people? So will is the auxiliary verb and be is the verb. And then there is a very special adverb here. It's an adverb, but works. It works like a subject. Okay, so when we make it into an embedded question, do you know if? Okay, if there will be. So this is adverb there, and adverb there, and then will be verb. For a independent question, will there be lots of people? And here, if we add if for yes no questions, and then there will be. Will there be becomes if there will be. Okay,